Hi, this is Jeff from Aqua Products, and today we'll be unboxing the MRT 1000. The MRT 1000 is a great above ground pool cleaner. Comes with a 2-year full warranty. It's low maintenance, and it's top loading filter baskets. So the first thing you'll notice when you open the box, you're going to pull out the quick start guide, warranty registration card, and the flow kit. The warranty registration card can be filled out at aquabot.com. It should take you no more than 5 minutes. The flow kit is designed if you feel that your cleaner is possibly getting stuck and might need a little extra help moving about the pool. We don't think you'll need this, but we want to equip it with you just in case. Next, you'll notice the power supply. Simple power supply, an on-off button, pool type selection, and a continuous run option. So now, let's take out the cleaner and discuss some of the features. You'll probably notice that there's a little bit of cardboard in here, but we do that to protect the cleaner while in transit, so the cleaner isn't stuck. We also make sure we're protecting the wheels so that your machine is guaranteed to work, no problems, right outside the box. So this cleaner comes with a 40-foot cable, a detangler, and we recommend this cleaner for pools that are about 30 foot in diameter or length. So if we take a closer look at the cleaner itself, we remove the protective plastic. Besides being a great looking cleaner, the MRT 1000 has top loading filter baskets, which make cleaning the debris so much easier. Very easy to get in, very easy to load, very easy to maintain. On one side of the cleaner, we actually do have a spinning brush. So as the cleaner is moving about the bottom of the pool, this brush will rotate and helps to agitate any dirt and debris to get sucked up into the pool. Ergonomic handle makes it easy to put the cleaner in and to remove the cleaner as well. And that's it. That's the MRT 1000.